Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. So my dad, as you know, my uncle was outside and he went for some work, but he came back with lots of gifts for me and my bunu. And then okay. So I'll start from the beginning. So as you know, Eid is coming. It's just a few days after it's Eid, and that's why my Abu, then he came back. He bought some gifts for us, and he was like, "This is your gifts, and also these are for your Eid gifts. You can take that." And you won't believe he bought so many things for us, and I love it. Like I only do one, but he bought so many for us. I'll just show. These are the things I was talking about. I mean, just look at it. There are so many chips, like, and chocolates. So I was talking about, I asked him to bring me some chocolates, but he bought so many of them. And also the chips. Bono loves to eat chips. He bought so many chips. I'm like, okay. He bought me some dark chocolates and some dairy milk. I love dairy milk, and also Kit Kat. These are my favorite chocolates. Here are some chips, like the red flavor and this flavor, Lay's. We love Lay's, and Kurkure. We love it. This is one of like our favorite gifts he can get us, and this was so good. Me and Bunu, both of us love it so much. I just got it right now, and I was also showing you guys like, yeah, what we got, but let's open up and eat one. These are the chips that Bunu wants to eat. Come on, open up and taste. Tell me, how is the taste?
It looks like really noodles.
It's good?
Yeah, it's not like other flavor, but it's nice.
And I also wanna try one. I think I'm gonna try this one. This looks good. And also I like Kit Kat, but I wanna see. Look.
Nice, right?
Did not expect this flavor. I'm gonna open this. And my mom also loves to eat Kit Kat. Me and my mom mostly have everything same. Just a minute, I'll keep this. No, I'll keep this. But you like that chips? You like that one?
Yeah.
Yep, I'm here. So yeah. It's like, it's packed like this. Let me open it up. Package is there, and then the foil wrapping. Like this. Yeah, Kit Kat. Hashtag my break. Okay.
You took
So-
a break.
Yeah, there are two, and then I like to break it into pieces, and then
You like it?
of course, I love Kit Kat a lot. Oh. So I guess that's supposed to be it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and don't forget to comment down below that what you got for
Your Eid presents.
Yeah, and that's it. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye,
Ma
Masalama.